Welcome. In this video we are going to solve some more examples based on multiplication by powers of t property. Okay, so here is the function whose Laplace we have to find. So here I can use the property because t is multiplied to the function, right? So by the property what we can write, Laplace of t raised to n f of t equal to minus 1 raised to n d raised to n upon ds raised to n Laplace of f of t, right? So using this property here we can write the Laplace of t e to the power minus 4t sine 3t equal to minus 1 raised to 1, because here power for t is 1, d upon ds, then first order derivative of Laplace of function other than t, that is this e to the power minus 4t sine 3t. Okay, now here solving the example minus d upon ds. Now to take here Laplace of this term, exponential term is multiplied to the trigonometric term, and we know the property, if exponential term multiplies any function, then we can write Laplace of this term is equal to Laplace of this f of t, and there we have to replace s by s minus a, this is a first shifting property we have seen. So using this property here, so what we can write, Laplace of this f of t means Laplace of sine 3t, and after finding this Laplace we have to replace this s by s minus of minus 4, that is plus 4. And now we are taking the Laplace of sine 3t. What is the Laplace of sine 3t? By using a standard result, Laplace of sine at, what we can write, a upon s square plus a square. So it is 3 upon s square plus 9, and here we have to replace s by s plus 4. Okay, so here minus d upon ds, 3 upon, replace s by s plus 4, so we can write here s plus 4 whole square plus 9. And now to take the derivative, 3 is constant, we can keep outside, d by ds, and function is present, s is present only in denominator, so we can write this s plus 4 whole square plus 9 bracket raised to minus 1. And again by using a standard result, derivative of x raised to n, it is n into x raised to n minus 1. So we can write the derivative of the term minus 3 in bracket, derivative of this term is minus s plus 4 whole square plus 9 bracket raised to minus 2 into derivative of this term 2 in bracket s plus 4. Now simplifying, minus 3 into minus plus 3, 3 into 2, 6 in bracket s plus 4 upon s plus 4 whole square plus 9 bracket square. That is our final answer. Okay, this is how we can solve the example by using the properties. And now this time we have used the two properties. First is property where function is multiplied by t, powers of t, and second property we have used here first shifting property. Okay, so to solve the example we can use more than one property. Okay, next example we are going to solve here. Now this example we can solve by two methods. Okay, so see here, to find the Laplace of t cube into e to the power minus 3t. Now by first shifting property, we know the property Laplace of e to the power at into f of t. What we can write, Laplace of f of t, and here we have to replace s by s minus a. So we can use this property here because your exponential term is multiplied to the function. So according to this, Laplace of f of t means t cube. and here we have to replace s by s minus of minus 3 means s plus 3. And now taking Laplace of t cube by the result Laplace of t raised to n, we can write n factorial upon s raised to n plus 1. So by this result we can write here 3 factorial upon s raised to n plus 1. Yeah, that means 3 plus 1. Here n is 3. Okay, and here we have to replace s by s plus 3. So that is equal to 3 factorial is 6, s raised to 4, s is replaced by s plus 3. So the final answer is 6 upon s plus 3 bracket raised to 4. Okay, now this is the first method. We used here first shifting property. Now if I want to use a multiplication by powers of t property, because here t cube is there, right? So we can use that property also. So by property Laplace of t raised to n, f of t function is multiplied by powers of t, then we can find its Laplace minus 1 raised to n, d raised to n upon ds raised to n, Laplace of f of t. So here Laplace of t cube e to the power minus 3t, what we can write? Yes, minus 1 raised to 3, because n is 3 here now. And now here we have to take third order derivative of the function. Okay, then finding a Laplace of other than t, that is e to the power minus 3t. Now here minus 1 raised to 3 means minus 1. Anything raised to, any negative term raised to odd power is minus. And here d cube upon ds cube, and Laplace of this exponential term by the standard result, Laplace of e to the power 80 is 1 upon s minus a, and Laplace of e to the power minus 80 1 upon s plus a. So it is 1 upon s plus 3. And now we have to take its third order derivative. So finding first order derivative, so we can write here d square upon da square in bracket d by ds of s plus 3 bracket raised to minus 1. So it is minus d square upon da square. What is the derivative? Minus 1 into s plus 3 bracket raised to minus 2. Similarly, taking second order derivative, so we can write here minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 s plus 3 bracket raised to minus 3. And again differentiating the term, we can write here minus 3 into minus 2 minus 6 s plus 3 bracket raised to minus 4. And then minus minus it is plus 6 upon power is negative, so we can shift the term in denominator bracket raised to 4. So you can see here both the answers are same. So we can solve the example by two methods. Okay, so in exam which method is suitable for you, you can use there. I hope you understand the property multiplication by powers of t, how to solve the examples with the help of that property. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to get the notification for next video. Thank you.